Have you ever wondered how your smartphone or laptop works? How it performs complex tasks with just a few taps or clicks? Well, nestled deep within these devices are tiny components known as transistors. The transistor, a fundamental building block of modern electronics, first came to life on December 23, 1947 at Bell Laboratories. This invention was the brainchild of three brilliant scientists: William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain.
These tiny transistors are destined to play a big part in our electronic age.
Before these ingenious men brought the transistor into existence, vacuum tubes ruled the world of processors. These tubes were large, power-hungry, and heat producers. Imagine using a mobile phone or laptop filled with these tubes. They would be larger, less efficient, and likely to overheat in no time. Transistors work their magic by controlling the flow of electrical current within a processor. They act as switches for the binary data, the zeros and ones that computers use to perform calculations and process information. In CPUs, they form the backbone of logic gates and memory cells. In 1965, Gordon Moore made a fascinating observation, now known as Moore's Law. He noted that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles roughly every 2 years. This observation has guided the exponential growth in computing power for decades, propelling the rapid advancement in computing technology. And true to Moore's Law, the number of transistors in processors has been steadily climbing. Take, for instance, the Intel 4004, the world's first commercially available microprocessor, which carried 2,300 transistors when it debuted in 1971. Fast forward to today and we have Apple's first processor, the M1 chip, boasting a staggering 16 billion transistors. This surge in transistor count showcases the leaps and bounds made in semiconductor manufacturing and design. It's allowed for more potent and efficient processors that continue to redefine the technology we use daily. The growth in transistor count is a pivotal factor in the miniaturization of devices and the enhancement of computational capabilities, paving the way for the development of the smartphones and computers we've come to rely on. So, to sum it all up, transistors are the secret sauce that makes our modern gadgets work. They've evolved from the days of vacuum tubes, becoming smaller, more efficient, and more powerful, enabling the technology advancements we see today. The ongoing increase in transistor count, as predicted by Moore's Law, continues to drive the rapid evolution of technology, leading to more powerful and compact devices. Transistors, in essence, are the unsung heroes of our digital age.